Hey guys, can you tell me who you are and what you've been doing here today?
We are Sales from Munich and we were playing live for Dynaudio. Yeah, we just recorded a live session in this container and it was fun.
What was it like to be in a container recording music? You can see everybody on the outside, but you can't hear a thing. What's that experience like?
It actually felt like in a normal studio, but it was kind of weird when someone just was standing right in front of the window and was staring at my pedals. It felt a little bit strange, but it was actually like in a real studio.
It's like a real studio, but you have someone watching. Does that make you perform better? I mean, you know, you get adrenaline pumping through when you're playing a concert. Did you feel like you got an extra couple of percent because there were people here?
Yeah, it felt a little bit like a live session, just because of the small audience. But it was okay. It didn't feel. I think we didn't feel pressure, but it felt good. And it felt a little bit more live, yeah, lifelike.
For a band like you, what does it mean to come play at something like this and get a video out of it? You get a track that's produced by an American producer, and you get all of the individual audio tracks after. What does that mean for you guys?
This is actually like a great thing, because like as most bands in this type of like when you aren't like big, you don't have the money and you don't have the resources to do that kind of stuff on a regular basis. So like everything that you get is just amazing.
Have you thought about how you want to use some of the content that you're getting from here?
I think we'll share the live video. We recorded a few more tracks, not only the video stuff, but
I mean, the thing is, we have a single release coming 25th of May, like it's in 2 weeks. Yeah, it's actually the song we played and the second song we played. So it's super great to just have like an extra video of us performing the song in this type of setting. It's just great promotion, and also like the other stuff that we played. I mean, thing is, we're all like kind of do-it-yourself band, so we produced the album ourselves, and we make all our videos, because like Twana, he's a film guy, I'm a sound guy, and we have like graphics people with Maximilian, and like everything do it yourself, so we can actually like really use that kind of raw footage and audio that we get. It's really good.
Guys, thank you so much for coming here and performing for us. I hope you had a blast. We did. So thank you.
thank you.